Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I am day trading ticker MTSL, and I have been in and out of this one all day today. It's just had a massive run, and as you can see right now, I am up a little over $700 at this moment. Currently, well, it dropped a little bit, but currently now negative $10 in this trade. So we're gonna watch this one a little bit longer. Normally I don't like to trade this late in the day at the end of the market, because usually you will start seeing a sell-off in the last 30 minutes, especially on a lot of stocks that have been hot for the day. Now, does this mean by the time you watch this video that you should buy into this, say, tomorrow? Absolutely not, because usually these runs are short-lived, and tomorrow it will probably be the complete opposite. So we're gonna watch this one and see how this plays out. So I may have to cut just a little bit of time out of this video up until I actually do something. So what I'm looking for right here is for it to keep creating this new high. Now this is abnormal. Well, I can't say abnormal. This doesn't happen really too often like this, to where you just constantly have a stock that's just running up literally half the day and just creating just new highs over and over and over throughout the day, where you can jump in and out like this. So as you can see, I just sold right there, and I now have a, dang, I wish I'd have waited a little bit more, but hey, you know what? You can only work with what you have in the moment, and that's what I had to play with. So I literally sold right before it just took that big spike up to $6.25, but that's all right, because I was still green. I made money, and that is what matters in the end. So this will actually be the last trade of the day for me, just because I don't like to trade at the end of the day, because I don't have time to get out of that trade. But it made a total of $820 today, and well, $820 for trading ticker MTSL. And that's pretty dang on good. I'm super happy that I had the day with this ticker that I did, because overall a lot of my other stocks I look at, they were actually down. Tesla is one of my go-tos, and Tesla has not been looking good. And the scanner, even though I have a phenomenal scanner, it just wasn't, the stocks weren't really giving me the price action that I wanted to see for the day, and I wasn't gonna jump into something that I didn't feel comfortable with. And that's one of the best things you can do. If you don't feel comfortable with jumping into that stock, don't do it. And don't try to force that trade to happen and work for you. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys done well today in the markets. It was actually kind of a tough day, at least for the ones that I was looking at today. Luckily, I was still green in all of my trades today. Some of them took me a little bit into the red, but they closed out a little green, and in the end, I didn't lose money in those. Overall, this was my best play for today, and I am thankful for that. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Please subscribe, please give me a like, and if you haven't checked out the free course, go up to my playlist. There's 2 different styles up there, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So I will see you in the next one.